The world is becoming smart and connected. RFID and IoT are paving the way by giving life to the objects that surround us, by making them talk to us and to each other, by producing smart data. When raw smart data is turned into valuable information and insights, RFID will help increase visibility of the supply chain, making it traceable and sustainable, while also reducing inefficiencies, costs, and waste. Customer services, sales, and product authenticity are also greatly improved. To enhance society through technology has been Murata's vision for over 70 years. Our technologies are at the heart of the world's most cutting-edge products, from mobile phones to cars, from automated industry to the Internet of Things and RFID. For more than 20 years, Murata ID Solutions has pioneered and shaped the RFID industry. Focused on research and development, we engineer new technological solutions that help create value for the end customer. For stores and hospitals, distribution centers, as well as manufacturing sites, we work every day to add RFID tags to objects, giving them life and connecting them to the Internet of Things. We work today to shape a better and safer tomorrow.